So what you see here on the screen is representing one whole. And we've talked a lot about wholes in the past. You have one whole, it's equal to 1. 2 wholes would be equal to 2. 3 wholes is equal to 3. When we start grouping them, if you have 10 wholes, that's going to be equal to 10, and you'll put that in the tens place on your place value. It can go up to hundreds, thousands, and continue to get bigger. But what happens if we split those wholes? So I'm going to take this one whole and I'm going to split it into 10 equal pieces. So here I have 10 my whole split into 10 pieces. And if I were to color in one of those 10 pieces, that's what we are going to represent by saying 1/10. That represents 1/10. If I color in 2 of those pieces, we would call that 2/10. So we've taken our whole and split it into 10 equal pieces. But we can actually take our whole that we've split into tenths and split it even smaller. So here I have tenths. If I split it again, I'm going to split it into hundredths. So when I go to color in 100th, you can see my 100th is really tiny. It's much smaller than that tenth was, and it's way smaller than that whole was. The whole was the entire box here. My tenth, I'll color in with this pink highlighter so you can see the tenth would be an entire column, but the 100th is that little yellow one. We can even split it further into thousands, and those thousands are going to be very tiny compared to the wholes, the tenths, and the hundredths.